Ever tried measuring a room alone with a regular tape measure? Stretching it across the floor, praying it doesn't sag, hoping nobody lets go too early. Yeah. We've all been there. Here's the truth, though. Laser measures fix this instantly, and once you try one, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Today, I'm ranking 5 laser measures, from budget-friendly to straight-up professional grade. Let's get into it. Number 5. The Atolla Laser Distance Measure. If you're just starting out, this is where you begin. It's small, pocket-friendly. Comes with a wrist strap so it doesn't slip mid-job. Accuracy is surprisingly solid for the price. We're talking almost 200 feet of range. Plus area and volume modes built right in. Now it's not perfect. The base isn't fully flat, so it wobbles a little during use, but honestly, that barely affects the actual readings. For beginners, hobbyists, or anyone just testing the laser measure waters, this budget pick delivers way more than it costs. Number 4. The Leica Disto E7100i. This is German engineering. Done right. Thin, sleek, fits right in your pocket. It syncs with your phone through Bluetooth, which makes documenting projects incredibly easy. But here's the standout feature. The sweep function. You scan across a corner, and it automatically locks onto the longest measurement. Perfect for oddly shaped rooms. The base is completely flat too, so every reading feels rock solid. The downside? No volume calculations, despite what the marketing says. And the companion app feels a little clunky. Still, for professionals who want something slim, fast, and dependable, this is one of the best compact options out there. Number 3. The Fanttik A10 Pro. This one's different. It's a hybrid. Traditional tape measure meets laser tech. All-in-one premium feeling device. The color display shows both readings at once, and switching between distance, area, and volume feels effortless. Build quality. Excellent. Smooth charging port. Satisfying tape mechanism. Accuracy stays tight. We're talking fractions of an inch on both the tape and the laser. The only drawbacks? Limited storage. And it doesn't reach as far as dedicated Pro Tools, but if you want tactile precision plus laser speed, this combo tool nails it. Number 2. The Mileseey Outdoor Laser Distance Meter. This thing is almost overwhelming in the best way possible. Distance, volume, area, Pythagorean calculations, angles, stakeout modes. It does nearly everything. There's even a built-in camera. So you can snap reference photos with your measurements. It comes with a carrying case and a rechargeable battery. Convenience most competitors skip completely. Now, the icon system takes some getting used to, and Bluetooth can be a little finicky, but where professionals handling complex projects, this tool replaces your calculator, your notepad, and your apps. All in one device. And the number 1 pick, the Bosch GLM 400 CL Blaze. When range is the priority, nothing here comes close. This thing reaches up to 400 feet. Built for construction sites, large properties, big outdoor jobs. It even has a built-in zoom camera, so you can find the laser point, even in bright daylight. The glass is reinforced too. Scratch-resistant, glare-resistant, built for rough job sites, and it syncs with the Bosch app. Automatically creating digital blueprints. Massive time saver. The only annoyance? It beeps during setup, but you can turn that off easily. For contractors and serious DIYers, this is the most capable tool on this entire list. So there you have it. 5 laser measures, 5 completely different use cases. Which one fits your next project? Drop it in the comments. And if this saved you some research time, hit subscribe. More honest tool breakdowns coming soon.